Well, Nvidia just rolled out something you will want to see. They have quickly opened up their AI platform, giving developers API access to a massive library of powerful models for free. There's no credit card needed to sign up, no expiring trial, and I am about to walk you through exactly how to get your hands on an API key in next 1 minute. And these API key you can use in your testing projects just to change your base URL and API key, and also you can utilize these API keys in your Claude Code, in your Codex, or in your Gemini as well. So how you can access that? For accessing the Nvidia's API catalog, which you can find at build.nvidia.com, is a huge deal for anyone building with AI. You just need to sign up with a developer account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of screen in front of you. Just simply press it here, more models, and you will see here's a packed with production ready models, including heavy hitters from the open source world that you have definitely heard of, like the Llama 3, Mistral, and dozen of others. But I need here the DeepSeek. I just simply search it here, the DeepSeek, and now I just simply press on it. I just simply give a prompt hi, and you will see the AI responses to me. And I can set my parameters and etc. And just simply click on this view code and generate my API key, and then I just copy paste and utilize them in my testing projects, in my testing environment as well. Well, if you want to learn about the API documentation, just simply press on this link and you will be landed to the documentation page. Now, to be clear, this free access is for development and testing, so it does have rate limits. But for prototyping your next big idea without spending a time, it's perfect. When you are ready for high volume production, Nvidia has paid plans and self-hosting options available. You now have a playground of powerful AI models at your fingertips. If this was helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tips. I am genuinely curious. Drop a comment below and let me know which model you are going to test out first.